NFID, which is the abbreviation for Near Field Identification, is developed by NEThom and will be introduced. NFID is the smallest metal chip tag, and it can be attached to a variety of metal objects or on the PCB of various electric devices. Although this ultra-small metal chip tag, NFID, is tiny, the read distance of it is good enough for practical use. Moreover, it is able to withstand high temperature. Therefore, it can attach to the SMT process for PCB in small devices, such as a smartphone, production process management, or service management. Beep sounds when NFID is being read by a UHF reader. You can see that the read distance of NFID is more than 30 centimeters. NFID can be read after the case of smartphone was covered. Even though the read distance of NFID reduced after the case of smartphone was covered, it can be recognized within 10 centimeters. Here is the read distance of NFID with 3 directions. The read distance of NFID shows from 5 centimeters to 10 centimeters in all directions. It is tiny so that it can be attached to anywhere on the PCB and can be read. NFID can stand at high temperatures, and the maximum distance of it is approximately 80 centimeters with the optimum condition. NFID can operate at a temperature of 200 degrees Celsius. Moreover, it can withstand a temperature of 260 degrees Celsius so that the SMT process is available. Here are the adhesive methods, the positioning for best performance, and case study of NFID. There are several ways of attaching NFID to the metal surface. Double-sided taping. Bonding. Welding. Soldering, such as SMT process. Here are 3 cases to check the performance of NFID in different positioning. Firstly, NFID is on the center of horizontal line of metal surface. Counting number of the reader shows that NFID is being read by it. The read distance shows 1.4 meters when NFID was positioned well for best performance. Next, 2 cases of positioning cause bad performances. NFID 1002 can be applied to the metal tray or a variety of metal tools. An increase in the number of count of the reader shows that NFID is being read by a UHF reader, swing U. NFID 0503 is tinier than NFID 1002, so that it can be embedded on the PCB of small devices. Thank you.